Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change your account location in Roblox. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up your favorite browser. It could be your phone or a computer. Now, just go ahead over to roblox.com/support. Okay, hit on enter, wait for it to load, and once it loads, just go ahead and log in. All right, now go ahead and add in your first name or username, which is optional. Okay, if you're not logged in, it is required. Username, first name, or you can just go ahead and leave it. Now just basically add in your email address right here in the section. Okay, confirm it by retyping your email address. Now here's the fun part. Issue detail, select the device type, help category right here. Make sure that you select how to. All right, click on it. Subcategory right here, we have change my location. Okay, just basically type in, hi, I now live in the new country. I was from your last country. Can you help me change my account location to the new country? All right, thank you. That's basically it. Just click on continue right here. Wait for our Roblox support to reply. And once done, you should be good to go. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.